Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa Virtual In-Service Training for Teachers 2.0 or Virtual Inset 2.0. Sobrang dali lang nito guys, so please keep on watching. First, go to your web browser and then type lms.deped.gov.ph. Kung cellphone ang gamit mo, click desktop site para yung format niya is parang sa computer. So dito, i-click mo kung anong region ka. So ako is region 2. Click login. Click DepEd Commons Teachers. Then click Continue with Google account. Mag-sign in gamit ang DepEd email or Gmail account. Kapag naka-login ka na, click Site Home. Click Professional Development. And then click Virtual In-Service Training 2.0. So dito, ilagay ang enrollment key. Magkakaiba ang enrollment key sa bawat region. So hingin nyo na lang ang enrollment key sa ICT coordinator ng school nyo. Kapag sa region 2 ka, ang enrollment key ay VINSET Region 2. Then click Enroll Me. So kapag may nakita kang you are enrolled in this course, it means okay na, enrolled ka na sa Virtual Inset 2.0. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell button para mas updated ka pa sa mga educational tutorials ko. Bye!